It's candy. Okay? Don't forget the plot. It's candy. I gotta eat.
Try to fry. Cheers.
It's only nasty because we thinking about it like it's supposed to taste like food.
Cheers.
I can't really, hold on. I ain't really get a good taste of that. Well, because I ain't get to taste it. I got some ketchup. Now.
Ready for the drink?
Oh, I forgot we had a soda to drink. Soda to drink. Soda to drink.
This smells like watered down Coke.
It does. It does. Don't. I got it. See, hold on. Wait. Oh shit! Why is it so sweet?